setup and operation video for new NextGen Universal Testing Machine Series A. Power and connections. Connect the power cable to the PC system unit. Power the monitor, then connect the monitor to the PC using an HDMI cable. Connect the keyboard and mouse. Standard USB ports are located on the rear panel of the PC. Connect the device power cable to the power inlet on the rear panel of the unit. Using an Allen key, loosen the two locking screws to access the controller connection. Connect the handheld pendant control cable labeled X13. Then retighten the same two screws to secure the connector. Connect the Ethernet cable from the device port labeled X10 to the PC. Power on the PC. Turn on the main power using the switch on the rear panel of the unit. Turn on the unit using the switch on the side panel. The status indicator lights will confirm a successful connection. Launch the software on the PC. If the connection is successful, the handheld pendant will allow vertical movement control. Install the bending fixture onto the base and secure it with the fixing pin. Secure the upper loading nose, upper assembly, in the same way. Loosen the locking bolts and slide the supports as close to the center as possible. Align the bending fixture centrally relative to the upper loading nose. Lock the position. Move the supports to equal distances from the center and retighten the locking bolts. Adjust and tighten the upper supports to match your specimen size. Install the specimen. Using the handheld pendant, lower the upper loading nose until it just contacts the specimen. GenTest V 3.0 software. Launch the software. Select bending test according to the required standard. You can edit the test name. Enter the specimen dimensions and select the appropriate test method. To start the test, click Start, bottom right corner. The unit will begin the test immediately, and the result curve will appear in the software window. After the test is complete, save all parameters and graphs. The software allows export to your preferred format.